you take my all? I keep fighting, but I surrender. I said, won't you take my all? I keep making the same mistakes, Lord, I can't
start over like this. This is her third time doing this.
Okay, hey guys, today is Christmas Eve. So we're trying to do all the baking tonight, but figured out that my mom doesn't have baking soda. So, and we just passed Walmart and we're like, oh, we're so happy that we didn't forget anything. So we're on our way to Walgreens. Hopefully they're open.
Because we forgot something.
Yeah, because we forgot something. And I'm trying to do a video on Liberian rice bread. So we're on our way to get baking soda and milk because our milk is frozen, and I don't want to wait. So yeah, on our way. Hopefully they're open. I think they're open because usually on Christmas they're like the only place that is open. So yeah. Baking soda.
Probably down this side right here.
Yes, you are. These are like baking. Oh no, you're not. But you should get.
Mommy doesn't have any now. I just seen some of that the other day.
She said she doesn't have any more.
Hold on.
I'm about to see if I can get some milk.
Wow, está rico. Esto se ve rico.
Yeah, it is.
Let me change the date for my milk. I won't get one. Get one free. Buy one. Get one free. Hello. Thank you, Lord. Buy one. And get two free. You feel me? That's what you get for.
Buy two.
You can't say no to deals.
There was no free snacks?
That worked, but it was 10 for $2.
So we're back home. Oh my gosh. Back home. It took forever. It took maybe like 20 minutes to get back home. To get home and back. Because I don't know if you guys saw, but you guys saw the line. But Sandra is doing cornbread, eggs. She's doing cornbread, and then I'll get into the specifics on the not shortbread, the rice bread. Okay, so guys, we do have guests over, but I'm still gonna try to record the video. So I will, before you guys see this part, I will put a list of what you all need. Also, I'll put it in the description box. But for the recipe that I put out, I doubled it because we want a large amount of rice bread. So I basically used a full box of cream of wheat, or you can use cream of rice, but like every time we try and go search for it, it's like a hassle. But it also works with cream of wheat as well. So after you do the cream of add the cream of wheat, then you want to add the rest of your ingredients: your baking soda, salt, ginger, and your nutmeg. Also, I would suggest, if you do have raw ginger, to use raw ginger in addition to the ginger powder. But it's where's my train of thought? But it like enhances the flavor. If you know, you know. So I'm about to do that right now. Okay, so I'm about to do my wet ingredients. I already smashed all my bananas, and I'm still doing a little more just to get it smooth so the rice bread doesn't have too much lumps inside of it. I did like pretty much like a full bunch, which was about 8 bananas. And then I'll add my eggs, my milk, vanilla, and my oil. And as I told you guys, it's in the ingredients list is in the description box. And if you have fresh ginger, then you would add this to it as well. Adding the milk.
The bowl's in the frame.
After you mix both of the wet and dry ingredients, it should look like this. And now I'm gonna butter my pan. Just gonna use some butter. And butter it nice and good. Don't be afraid to get your hands messy with this part. Okay. Okay, Chris, can you record me pouring the rice spray? Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Ask me what's the hope in this world, I say it's heaven. Yeah, yeah. And on my worst days, I just keep my mind on heaven. Yeah. I'll fall for who are in heaven.